Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to Daily Code Buffer. In this video, we are going to see how to push the Docker image to Docker Hub using Dockerfile Maven plugin by Spotify. Before we get started, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for all new videos. Let's quickly go to Spring Initializer and create a project. Okay, we'll select Java, we'll add the group Daily Code Buffer, artifact ID as Docker Publish. Okay, Java version 11, we'll add the dependency as Spring Web. Okay, now let's create the project and open in IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, this is our project. Okay, this is our main class file, and let's change the port to 1981. Okay, now let's go to pom.xml file. You can see that there is only one plugin available. Okay, now to run this application, what we need to do first is we need to create a Docker file, and then we need to add the Maven plugin into the pom.xml file, and with that plugin we will be able to create a Docker image and push that image to Docker Hub. Okay, so let's do those things first. We'll create one simple home controller as well. So let's start with that first. We create home controller. Okay, we'll annotate with @rest controller, and then we will add one method, public string home, and that will return one message. Okay, we'll annotate with this at get mapping, and we'll give a root URL. Okay, our application is ready. Now let's create one Docker file. We'll create a new file. We'll name as a Docker file. Okay, here I'm adding the contents of a Docker file. I'm using OpenJDK 11 as I'm using the JDK 11 version, and then I'm giving the jar file name, and I'm copying that jar file to my Docker image, and then I'm giving the entry point java-jar and app name. So this way that application will start. Okay, now Docker file is created. Now we need to add the dependency and plugin into pom.xml file. Okay, so let's add the plugin over here. Okay, this is the plugin, Dockerfile Maven plugin. Okay, this is provided by Spotify, and the version is 1.4.3, and the execution. So we have the default execution over here, and the goal is build goal and push goal. Both the goal means to build an image and push that image to Docker Hub. Okay, now if we come down here into the configuration, here we need to define the tag name and the repository and the image name. So you need to give the repository name over here. So my repository is Daily Code Buffer. So I'm giving the Daily Code Buffer over here, and the image name, whatever image name you want to give, we'll give the same name as our artifact ID. Okay, and then the tag we are giving as the project version. Okay, so whatever the version of our project would be, that would be your tag. So currently it's snapshot 0.0.1. okay, let's start with 0.0.1. okay, so all the configuration is done. Now one important thing, you can see here we have added the dependency for javax.activation. This is only required when you are using JDK 9 plus. Okay, if you are using JDK 8, then no need to add this dependency over here. You are good with just the plugin. But if you are using JDK 9 plus, you need to add this dependency to get going. Okay, so make sure you add this if you are using JDK 9 plus. One more thing to note over here is your Docker should be running at this point of time. Okay, and one more thing to take care is if you go to settings for your Docker, okay, you can see that expose daemon on TCP localhost 2375 without TCL. So to work with this should be enabled. You should enable this checkbox and restart your Docker, then only this plugin will work. Okay, so make sure that your daemon is exposed on localhost 2375 and you have added this dependency in case of you are using JDK 9+. Okay, once this is done, we are good to go. Now we can run the command and create it. Before that, let's go to our Docker Hub. Okay, let's log in here and let's go to the repository. Okay, you can see that we don't have any repositories over here. Let's jump back. Okay, now we need to run this. Let's go to the terminal. What we need to do is we need to run a maven command that will run the application. Okay, so the maven command is mvn, then we are giving clean. So we'll clean the project and then we'll package the project. So this will build our Docker image. Okay, and then what I want to do is I'm using Dockerfile plugin. So with this Dockerfile plugin, I need to push that image to my Docker Hub. So for that, the phase is Dockerfile : push. Okay, we can do everything separate also, but it's better to do it everything together. I'm doing mvn clean package Dockerfile push. Once I hit enter, you can see that it started building. Okay, you can see that test cases are running. Okay, you can see that it's now started building the Docker file. It's fetching the OpenJDK 11. Okay, all the steps are done. You can see that file is successfully created. Okay, and then it's pushing the image to the repositories. Okay, all the steps are doing. You can see that image has been pushed. Okay, let it complete. Okay, you can see that build is successful. So all my steps are done. We have downloaded all the dependent images. Okay, all the steps we have completed, whatever we added in our Docker file, like from OpenJDK 11. Get that image, add the argument values, copy the jar file and add the entry points. All these things is done. After that, it's building the image and then image has been created and then we are uploading it. So now let's go to Docker Hub and check it. Let's refresh the page. And you can see that daily code buffer Docker publish has been created. Okay, and you can see that version is 0.0.1. The same way if we change the version over here, okay, like 0.0.2, and then again I run the command. Okay, then it will upload again with the newer version. Okay, you can see that it built successfully, so image is uploaded. Let's refresh the page. You can see that the new version has been uploaded. If you want to download the same thing, just go to the public view and this is the command docker pull daily code buffer and docker publish. With the tags available, you can download. Okay, so this way we can publish the images to Docker Hub using Maven plugin. So it's not preferable to upload Docker images to Docker Hub or any of the registry using your local environment. It's always the best practice to use a CI/CD pipeline or any of the tool that has been used in your organizations. So make sure you are using that, not your local environment. So this is a very simple process to upload Docker images to any of your Docker registries. So that's it in this video. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, smash that like button and we will see you in the next video.